What's good, gang? Today's a good one. Today is a good one, guys. Let's talk about the positions I fucking swung overnight, which was SPY and then AVGO. Ooh, these motherfuckers paid. Let's start off with SPY. I know I did the breakdown on SPY on the previous video, but let's talk about where I closed, right? I gave y'all the update on it on the previous video as far as when price was pretty much up here, right? Let me move this out the way. Keep in mind, market closed right here, and this was after market. All this happened overnight, and then we had a nice gap up. So pretty much, let's see what price ended up doing as we approach market open. I kind of had everything planned out. I think I even had a note here. Yep. Look at this. I said, looking at the 15-minute/30-minute EMA trail, unless we push hard up, then I'm back on the 5 and 3-minute EMA, which was this right here. We pushed back up, therefore I'm like, okay, I'm back on the 5 and 3-minute EMA. But even then, guys, they were just so fucking tight. The 15 and the 30-minute made the most sense. So let's see what happened. Market opened. We kept pushing. It is right now, what, boom, 8:15, boom, 8:30. Here's what happened. Price just fucking spiked the fuck up. I'm like, oh my god. Therefore, I'm trailing it back again on the 5 and 3-minute. Now the EMAs make sense. So pretty much all I was looking for was a closure under the 3-minute 20 EMA, which is this red EMA here. So we kept running it until then. Here I want to see a bounce. I'm going to put possible bounce, 5-minute, possible bounce. What did we get? Nothing. Price ended up failing. I'm like, okay. On the 5-minute, started looking a bit unvalid. And then I just ended up closing out the trade right there. So I swung this bitch all the way up here, and I ended up making on SPY. If I would have held my 2 cons, I would have fucking made it back. But I secured 1 con down here for 40%. I'll pull it up right now. I pull, yeah, 40%, which I secured $60, and then I held this bitch overnight, closed right here, and I ended up holding SPY for 245%, guys. I made $367 fucking dollars on that. That is ridiculous. Swinging, guys. Had a great fucking entry, and I broke all this shit down on the last video. So go back and watch that if you want to know exactly how I took SPY. But we just had great fucking volume, and all I did was plan the trade, and sometimes the trade would just fucking run. And what I did good was manage to trail my stop loss effectively, how I had it planned, and it just played out, right? If it would have closed under here, I would have got out here, but it never closed, and it kept running all the way up here. So we played this perfectly. Now let's go to AVGO. AVGO was also very good. Look, this ended up melting, but I got out at the right fucking sweet spot. So AVGO, same deal with SPY. It ran up very nice aftermarket. It ran up very nice, gapped up, and I was looking at price here. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. But what ended up happening? Market opened, and then it just spiked up and came down. I'm like, okay, this is normal. I'm used to seeing shit like this back when I would trade indices, where price would just kind of come down, like almost you could even think of it like a liquidity sweep, and then just correct to continue moving up. Unfortunately, price actually failed, and I was same deal as SPY. I was looking for a closure under the 3-minute EMA here, but then I was also like, you know what? On the 15-minute, this could bounce, but I didn't want to give too much profits, so I ended up closing the trade. Right, I want to say it was right on this candle here. Let me see right now when I closed. Sell AVGO. Let me see. It was at 8:46 a.m. Yeah, within this candle here, because we closed into the EMAs, and then the 15-minute was coming down pretty hard. Part of me was like, damn, I shouldn't have sold it. Like, it just kind of came back to the gap. But now I was just anticipating. I just wanted to secure my profit. I was up a good amount, and it's a good thing I didn't, because price just broke right fucking through it. It's still valid. It's a steep pullback. It could keep going up, but I'm not giving back. Something I heard today from Koala Maggie, which is someone Johnny recommends a lot. If you have a small account, focus on securing the profits. be more aggressive with securing profits. You have a small account. Be more aggressive on securing profits. So I did just that. I did a great fucking job on AVGO, and I ended up securing how much percent on AVGO? Let me see. This bitch ended up running, and this was only one con, guys. 76% on AVGO. Very good, very good. Almost 77%. Made $300 on AVGO. Very nice. And then the last trade that I took today, because these were swings, the only open position I took today was Marvel. And looking at it, I should have fucking held it, but I didn't. Where the fuck is it at? Where's 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 it at? Is this Marvel? Yes. This is the only one. This is actually running pretty good into fucking profits. We're above the $80 after market hours. That's very nice, guys. I ended up taking Marvel today. I did two cons initially. As you can see, we are above breakout level here, but then I also had drawn this one here. Both of them are above breakout level. Both of them are valid. And my entry, it's pretty much right here. We got volume. I had a stop loss down here. I guess the stop loss would have made sense. Also here, the low day of this 5-minute candle break and closure, right? Cons weren't moving too volatile, so that would have been cool. That would have been well above my risk parameters. But price just ended up failing down pretty hard. Once I was around here, I closed one contract because I wanted to go very, very light size. I had a great day. I was not about to give any major profits back to the market. So I went just reduced one and left one. And then price kind of ended up coming right back down. I'm like, you know what? Fuck this. It never really stopped us out under our level, but I was just like, it looks like it's failing. I'm just going to go ahead and close. Took a 5.77% loss. Took a $12 loss. Made $4 on the first one. $12 loss on the second one. So minus $8. Very, very small loss. Do I have FOMO? Not really. There's a bunch of other stocks to take. Is it looking good? Yes, it's looking good. It really is. This looks like it could actually fucking run. The daily closed above breakout level. Looks great. But that's about it, guys. That was today's trading day, which was Wednesday. Very, very nice. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Have a great night, guys. And we're going to see how far this journey goes. I'm going to bring y'all along with me. But more than anything, it's for myself, too. I want to document all this shit. That way they don't like, oh, he's fake. He's not a real trader. Bitch, go all the way back to fucking 2025, motherfucker. When I fucking started recording these. Alright, gang. See you. Good night.